So what's up, guys? Here I am back with this book doing project 16, the electronic die, from the Arduino Project Handbook. Anyway, so I've gotten through it. I've gotten it all wired up. Relatively straightforward. This is the first time we kind of learned about the 74HC 595 shift register. Small integrated circuit with sequential logic counter that kind of allows the Arduino to make more connections than the pin has. So basically it shifts and stores data. So what we have it doing right now, it's shaking. It's like you take a dice, and you kind of shake it up, I'm sure you guys at home are pretty good at doing this. Anyway, so when you hit the button, it's like you roll the dice. And it comes up with a 2. So we keep going, we let go, hold the button again. Oh, there's a 5. 2. All right, let's see. Another 2. So apparently 2 is the lucky number right now, but 5 again, okay. I swear it has more than 2 numbers on it. There's another 5, all right. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Oh, there's a 3, finally. Okay, so we got a 3 here. And a 4. The 2 again. See if we can get a 1 here. That's a 4. Anyway, the thing works. I finally got it. I had 2 of these up here. These resistors were connected to the wrong pin over here. So it was actually throwing up like a 9, and then it would just throw up ones with missing spaces on the display. But yeah, I ended up troubleshooting a little bit, rereading the schematic, and kind of came up with some different stuff. So anyway, another one done. I'll get this one uploaded, and I'll be sure to share the schematic and whatnot. Anyway, like and subscribe. I'll keep doing stupid videos, and hopefully you guys can kind of learn a little bit along with me, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing yet, but I'm working on it. All right.